If you spend over $100,000 on software, it's probably very sophisticated stuff. It's going to take you some time to deploy it, some time to learn it, setting all your jobs up in it. This is not small time stuff. $200,000, $300,000, it even gets more serious. And I would plan on spending, 2 times the amount of money on your implementation as you would buying the actual software license. Because there's the hidden costs, there's things you don't think about. It's your own people's time. You're probably going to pay an implementation fee, and this thing is going to stretch, right? It's going to stretch on 3 months, 6 months, a year, however long the project is. But even when it ends, you still have that learning curve with your people to get fully up to speed, to get skilled with the product. I mean, that could take 2 years, maybe, depending on the software and the sophistication of it. So something to think about. If you're going to spend $100,000 or more, you want a project manager on the team, your own, and maybe one from the software company that you're buying the software from. You're going to want organization. You want a project schedule. You want timelines, right? You want to make sure that this thing doesn't have scope creep. You're going to have your own team wanting things that they think about during the course of the project, or they forgot to tell the vendor. It's not a straight line in the implementation, right? You're going to have scope creep, and both you and your vendors you work with are going to want to keep that as tight as possible, so that you can get to the end of the road, successful project, and everybody's happy. You're getting the value from what you were hoping from the product. This is Matt Mahoney with Rackame. If you'd like to talk about it more, give me a shout at mmahoney@rackame.com. You can go to our website, rackame.com. There's videos, podcasts, blogs, all kinds of content out there that we talk about everything and anything related to document production and distribution. Not only documents, but really any kind of communication. Today, it's a digital world. So, Matt Mahoney signing off. We'll see you again next time.